I am now here with Julie. She doesn't need much of an introduction because Julie is known, Julie's around town and she's got the coolest limousine business in town. Why? Because what happens in the limo
stays in the limo.
That's right. So, Majestic Limousines, right?
Correct. Majestic Limousines.
Where can we find you?
You can find me on Facebook, on my website, and on my website I have new current events going on there.
Okay.
Yeah, it shows current events around Tucson.
So, Julie, what is your website?
My website is majesticlimotucson.com.
Majesticlimotucson.com, right?
Yes.
And on Facebook?
Facebook is Majestic Limousines.
Right on. Recently we got to use you guys on some of our events, and she was cool enough to pick up my son on the second and last day of school. He really dug that.
That was fun. That was really exciting.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, definitely.
And how long have you been in business?
I've been in business in the industry for about 15 years, and I've been in this business for about a year now.
Wow. So you're kind of a veteran then.
Oh, yeah.
You know what's going on.
I know the ins and outs of everything.
That's right. And remember, what happens in the limo
stays in the limo.
All right. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.
Okay.